Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious date smoothie. First, you'll want to gather your main ingredients. You'll need about 1 cup of pitted dates, 1.5 cups of your favorite milk, and 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. These simple components form the base of a wonderfully sweet and satisfying drink. Once you have all your ingredients ready, it's time to blend. Carefully add the dates, milk, and vanilla extract into your blender. Secure the lid and blend on high until the mixture is completely smooth and creamy. If you prefer a sweeter taste, you can add a small amount of honey or maple syrup to your liking. Now, let's talk about customizing your smoothie. For a thicker consistency, consider adding 1/4 cup of rolled oats before blending. A ripe banana can also enhance the creaminess and add natural sweetness. Once blended to your desired texture, pour your smoothie into a glass and enjoy it immediately for the freshest flavor. This date smoothie isn't just tasty, it's also packed with benefits. Dates are a great source of natural energy and dietary fiber, making this a fantastic and healthy breakfast or snack option. It's a simple way to incorporate more goodness into your day. For more great tips and to find deals on kitchen gadgets, be sure to check the description below this video. We've got some excellent resources waiting for you there.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.